This is a kind request to the US Strategic Command to look into the crisis that the Sri Lankan Sri Lankan Airlines, Airbus flight UL 504 on July 6, 2021, from en route from London to Colombo, had to take a longer flight path as the regular from its regular journey, as the Kuwait Air Traffic Control, Kuwait Air Traffic Control, in Middle East, they have informed and denied entry into the airspace as the primary radar at the Kuwait Air Traffic Controls were unserviceable. Then the Sri Lankan Airlines UL 504 had to take a longer route to avoiding the Kuwait airspace, since the Kuwait Air Traffic Control denied entry, since the airspace into the airspace at their primary radar was unserviceable at that time. So whatever the situation, what has happened was ultimately the Sri Lankan Airlines UL 504, for safety of their passengers, had landed at Trivandrum Airport in South India and refueled, and after coordinating with the Airline Operations Control Center, and then flew to Colombo. So now, in order to Sri Lankan Airlines says, in order to continue to maintain safety without jeopardizing the human life as a principle taught by Gautama Buddha, we, the air pilots and the passengers and the crews and equipment protection is our priority. So in this context, I kindly request the US Strategic Command to, this sort of, air travel restrictions are there, especially when Sri Lankan air flights fly to European destinations, since it's not possible to get refuel in from Iran. Because of the, and also there are certain flight restrictions over Iraq airspace due to the Syrian areas, and as a result the fuel cost is very high, and especially the Iran can't be accessed for refueling. As this case shows, the Kuwait airspace not allow means they could have earlier got refuel from Iran, right, Tehran, but then internationally financial transactions in dollar terms with Iran is prohibited, so Sri Lanka cannot get refuel from Iran, Tehran International Airport. So this is why I kindly request the US Strategic Command not to stop evolution of the Iran civilization. Iran's Persian civilization had been there for thousands of years, and throughout the past history, great explorers have visited from Iran during ancient times, during the 2500 year civilization of Sri Lanka from Iran. So in this way, the US Strategic Command, I kindly request to pursue, not to ban the Iran nuclear weapons or its ballistic missiles or whatever, because they cannot do any harm, neither they will do, because things happen according to the rights and the wrongs and the goods and the bads. I'm sure the Iran won't come or do any harm here. So this is why, even though the Israelis and the US-backed groups through Israel attacked the Iranian nuclear scientists, killed their scientists, and attacked their nuclear stations, cyber, computer systems using cyber attacks and so many things, still Iran did not retaliate. Iran only did a showcase of their so-called underground missile city and their YouTube videos. That's all they did, because Iran is not a rogue country, but to help them to get over this problem, because it's US that implicated Iran in a war due to funding of Mr. Saddam Hussein to attack the Iran revolutionary changes to Islamic religion leadership, and decrowning the US-backed Iranian royal family. So this way of wrongful foreign policies, interfering in others' affairs is like gossiping women's tradition in the US. So in order to stop this, I kindly request the US Strategic Command to allow the free dollars to Iran economy, to make sure that they stand up, and I'm sure, and I can give 100% promise, and with a lot of responsibility, that Iran would not do anything to harm any other country in the world. So in that case, in order to facilitate the air movements and to avoid any future disasters of Sri Lankan Airlines running short of fuel, in mid-air and crashing Sri Lankan Airlines on the way to allow these on Colombo UK air traffic air controls for passenger and cargo transport carriers to refuel from Iran to do that, to allow international US dollar transactions through to Iran government. I kindly request US Strategic Command to do this through the US proposed US Financial Force and US Digital Force.